Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Cruze Premier hatchback, stock number Z7832XX. 13,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Nightfall gray metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility, backup camera for additional safety, lots of storage space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Fuel efficient as well. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 28 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.